Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Weston-super-Mare, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 5008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this vehicle has 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got 7 seats. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control and speed limiter. You also get some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.